In this video, I will show you how to customize shoes on JetPrint. First, log into your JetPrint account. On the left side of the dashboard, click on Catalog. Now scroll down until you see the Shoes section, and pick the style of shoes you would like to work with. Once you've chosen, click on the pair you want to customize. From here, hit Design. Now you can upload your own image or use the template to design the shoes. You also have the option to add text. Just type it in, and you can drag it anywhere on the shoe to place it exactly where you want it. You can even add extras like custom text or add-ons to make it more unique. Once you're happy with the design, click Save. Finally, go back to the dashboard and click on My Products. You will see your custom shoes saved right there, ready to use. And that's how to customize shoes on JetPrint.